Today we're going to be shifting our theme of mathematics to trigonometry. Two guy wires stretch from the top T of a vertical pole to points B and C on the ground, where C is 10 meters closer to the base of the pole than is B. If wire BT makes an angle of 35 degrees with the horizontal, and wire CT makes an angle of 50 degrees with the horizontal, how high is the pole? So let's sketch that. So let's draw the vertical pole here, and then let's draw, so we know that C is 10 meters closer than is B. Okay, so these are straight lines. Then this is the ground, horizontal line, right angle here, obviously, and this is C, which is 10 meters closer than B to the top T. And we want to know how high the pole is, so let's call that H. And in the question it said that if wire BT made an angle of 35 degrees with the horizontal, and wire CT made an angle of 50 degrees with the horizontal. So 50 degrees. All right, so now we need to do how high is the pole. And how we do this is we're going to use the tan to involve the horizontal and the ground. So let's call this distance right here x, and then since we know that this is 10 meters further away, x plus 10. So we know that this distance is x plus 10, and we know that this is x, so therefore this is 10. Alright, so let's do tan of 50 degrees to involve h and x. So tan of 50 degrees equals h, which is opposite, over adjacent x, since we have the right angle here. And then h equals tan 50 times x, so x tan 50. And now let's do two equations here because we need to do for the two variables. All right, so h. So now let's involve the 35 degrees and then use this h plus x plus 10 here. So tan of 35 degrees equals h, which is opposite, over adjacent, x plus 10. Therefore, h equals, let's expand this right away, x tan 35 plus 10 tan 35. All right, and now, all right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to set these two equations equal to each other since they're both h. So x tan 50 degrees equals x tan 35 degrees plus 10 tan 35 degrees. And now let's bring the x's to one side and leave the constants on the other side. So x tan 50 degrees minus x tan 35 degrees equals 10 tan 35 degrees. And we're going to factor out x from the left side here, so x times tan 50 degrees minus x, minus tan, because we're factoring out x, tan of 35 degrees equals 10 tan 35 degrees. Therefore, x equals 10 tan of 35 degrees over tan of 50 degrees minus tan of 35 degrees. Okay, so let's do, so now we know what x is. So to solve for h, we need to multiply by tan of 50. So h equals x times tan 50, which is this times tan 50. 10 tan 35 degrees tan 50 degrees. This is a t. So 10 tan 35 degrees times tan 50 degrees divided by tan 50 degrees minus tan of 35 degrees. H equals, and let's do some calculations with the calculator. 10 times 35 tan times 50 tan. Okay, now divided by, in brackets, 50 tan minus 35 tan, close bracket, equals, and then we get h equals 16.98 meters. 16.98 meters. So approximately 16.98 meters. So that is the height of the pole.